A finished project is worth something to the team that ran it. It is worth a great deal more to the organization, but only if somebody can find it, and only if the next person doesn't have to start from a blank page. This lesson is the three surfaces that make that happen: the portfolio, the replication library, and templates. Portfolio: every DMAIC project across your org, with a program scorecard sitting on top. Realized savings, 0. Finance signed, booked, in flight, 30,000. All of it approved now, none merely proposed. That is the last two lessons showing up one screen later. We claimed 30,000, pre-assigned it, and realized still reads 0, because approved is not banked. This tile only moves when the savings actually land, and someone marks them realized. Capable processes. 0 of 2, against the 1.33 benchmark. Median CPK, minus 0.35. And program sigma, 1.5. Read the small print under it. The program pools every defect and every opportunity and converts once. No averaging of sigma levels, because an average of 2 sigmas is not the sigma of anything. Underneath the queue, grouped by status. Draft or in progress, none. And that is worth noticing. The coffee shop sandbox from Chapter 6 is not here at all. Practice projects stay out of the program view entirely. Columns included. Reopened, none. Completed, 1. Support tickets, first response time, which moved into that column the moment we marked it complete last lesson. This is the view a master black belt actually lives in. 20 or 30 projects, scanned by status, without opening a single one. Second surface. And it's the one that pays off years later, the replication library. Find a past project that solves something similar. Search by symptom, customer, part number, or process step across every assignment you can see in the org. So, first response. And there is our project. Match 2 terms, with the matching words highlighted, and a replicate button. Think about who that is really for. Not us. It's for somebody 18 months from now, on a different team, typing the symptom they have into a search box, and discovering that this was solved once already, with the charter, the analysis, and the countermeasures still attached to it. Third surface, templates. And this is where a phrase from 2 lessons ago finally cashes in. Report, save as template. The menu item changes to Saved to Templates. And over on the Templates page, Support tickets, first response time, template. Reusable project blueprints. Create one with Save as template on any assignment, then spin up a new project pre-filled with its charter and schedule. Use template. That is a new project which starts with the problem statement, the goal metric, the business case, and the DMAIC schedule already in place, because a competent version of all 4 already exists. Replication finds the project. A template starts the next one. So that is Chapter 12, and that is the whole loop closed. The work turns into a report. The report turns into a decision. The decision turns into money that somebody signs for. And the project itself turns into an asset the next person can find and reuse. Which leaves 2 things: what to do when something doesn't work and you need a human, and a short practical answer to the question you will actually have when this course ends, which is, right, what do I do on Monday? Next chapter. See you there.